there has been an incident. Air India AI-171 that took off from Ahmedabad airport and was going towards London. It has crashed. There were about 242 people on board, 230 passengers and crew members, rest crew members, and there were two. The recovery process has started. And there's also in the ministry, we have also done like a meeting over there. And also the minister, Mahmood Nadaji, is going to be there. And I'm also going to leave soon to be there on site. And everything is happening. And there is on a ministry level, there has been a meeting as well. And what is the reason and how many casualties are there? And there's also a recovery, plan going on at the site. I cannot, comment on all these. And I think it will take some time. And the priority that we have, that people who are there and people who are injured, we need to get them out. We have to really help them in the emergency. And our team is there, and we are going to go there. And what we have heard, there's 105 casualties. We have not given a statement about it. The work is there, and the priority, the first of all, the priority is there that we have to save as many people as possible, and we have to give them the emergency service. And first of all, first work is that we have to get the people out. Yes, as I have told you, there is a final list that is coming. The boarding passes has names, but let's see what happens. One more thing, there is a number. We have made like an emergency number in Ahmedabad number. I can read that up, 079 2286 9211. And I will repeat it once more. There is an emergency number that can be called 079 2286 9211. And that is in and the Delhi office reply number is also there. And it is 1169 32 933. And all these numbers are there. One is in Delhi, and first one we have to just send all the teams there to help, and we have to all start it together. Yes, there are many people who will be saved, but I cannot make a statement on that. We will have these numbers that there are many other people over there. And also we have seen all the emergencies, all the teams are there to provide service. First we have to go there, we have to see, and then we will see. I have said that the Home Minister Manya and also Abu Naiguji, another minister, me and my other secretary, we will be also setting off from here. And then the state government, all the officers are there, the chief minister is there. But over here, there are many ministers who will go there, and they will also get. This is not, please give me time. I cannot comment now. Like I have told you, the priority is there that we have to save the people. And the picture will be clear. Please give me some time, then I am going to answer your questions. And somebody contact? Yes, there was a message that there was an emergency and we need some help. And I believe. And now what we are saying, what do you think? That all the ministries there, all the ministers are there. There is a continuous rescue operation going on, and everybody is there in all the teams. They are over there. And also DGCA, our secretariat. We are just leaving from now, and we will get there. And also the Prime Minister is monitoring. We have already spoken to them and his team, and the Home Minister is also going to go there. I think on in every level, the emergency services have arrived. And today, first thing is that first we have to get there, and then everything will happen there. There will be investigation. What happened? What were the reasons? So now, for now, I will just answer these questions. And all the companies, are they taking? And if there was rain, then something happens to the plane. And I think whatever the real reason is will be quite apparent. And wherever the plane fell, obviously there are some casualties over there. And from here, the Indian team is there, has gone. And I think that all the teams are working together in collaboration, and the work has started. And thank you very much.